Hi carpet cleaners, in this video I'm going to teach you how to write direct response ad copy for your carpet cleaning business and walk you through how you can leverage direct response marketing to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, otherwise known as Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out on autopilot with our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive, but thrive, whether that's through this YouTube channel or through working with people one-on-one in our specialist program. So let's dive right into the training right now. So let's dive right into the training, how to write direct response marketing copy for your carpet cleaning business. What is direct response copy? Direct response copy is an ad or some form of marketing that directly asks you to do something, to take a next step. Call now, book now, schedule now, limited slots available, versus brand awareness ad copy, which is more educational. And you will have been subjected throughout your whole life on TV, in the theaters, in the cinemas, on radio, on the internet, on Facebook, on Instagram. You will have been subjected to both direct response ad copy and you will have also been subjected to brand awareness ad copy. So an example of like brand awareness ad copy is something like a Coca-Cola advert. Coca-Cola advert, it comes up, it's like, it shows the can and it shows some people sort of, drinking and looking refreshed and happy. But it doesn't say at the end of it, go to this shop or call this number. It just kind of like shows the brand, the logo, and shows what it is. And it's more educational. And what happens is over time, you keep getting subjected to these brand awareness ads and it kind of embeds in your brain and you kind of remember it. And then maybe next time you want a drink, you'll go and buy a can of Coke. But it's not an instant thing. It's not direct response. Same with like cars, right? You look at a lot of TV commercials for cars. It will show you this beautiful looking car, maybe riding through the desert, and there'll be some like model driving it, and it will kind of create this kind of like world of like this vision of the future and what your world would look like if you were to purchase this car. But it doesn't directly ask you to like go out and buy it. Do you know what I mean? It just kind of creates that brand awareness, that familiarity with that particular brand and with that car. And the idea is over time, like in a years to come or months to come or in time to come when you're ready to buy a car, because you've been subjected to all of these brand awareness campaigns, that particular brand of car might be top of mind for you and you might go and buy it. But with direct response advertising, that's essentially like saying to someone, I want you to do this thing, I want you to do it right now. Call now, book now. And again, we've all been subjected to these kind of ads all across the internet, all across TV networks and cinemas and radio and stuff like that. Typically, it might be like Walmart is a classic one, like Black Friday sale, 20% off everything in the whole entire store. Click here, go to the website now before it's too late. Something like that. Or it could be like a local restaurant or something like that, buy one, get one free on pizzas. Call now, offer ends Sunday. That's a direct response ad. It wants you to basically take a next step immediately, to call now. And here's an offer and it's going to end soon. And I want you to take that next step right now. So that's effectively what direct response marketing is. And for small businesses with limited marketing budget, such as a carpet cleaning business that hasn't got millions and millions of dollars, direct response marketing should be your priority. It's this style of marketing that will bring in the jobs and it will get the phone ringing the fastest, and it's going to generate you a return on your advertising investment most quickly, versus like a brand awareness thing, which is just like an ongoing like educational thing. Just, you're not asking anybody to do anything. You might be educating people on the importance of cleaning their carpets, and maybe it's got your logo. You just kind of stay in front of everybody. It just keeps you at the front of people's minds, but you're not directly asking somebody to actually schedule with you. You're not directly asking somebody to kind of take a next step and spend money with you. It's more like educational. So if you've only got a limited budget, if you haven't got the millions of dollars like Coca-Cola, McDonald's has to invest in marketing, then, if you had to choose, like a direct response style campaign is going to be the thing that's going to get that phone ringing the quickest, because you're asking asking people to schedule with you, asking people immediately in that advertising to make a booking and to give you money effectively. So that's why I'm doing this video, because this is the style of advertising and marketing which is going to have the biggest impact on your business. And I'm going to walk you through in this video how to actually write your own direct response marketing copy for your business. So direct response copy can be used everywhere. This isn't about Facebook ads or Google ads. Once you know the fundamentals of writing direct response copy, you can put it everywhere. So you can put it on flyers, that you put through people's door. Sure, it can be your ad copy for Facebook ads, for Google ads, on your landing page, on your website, radio commercials, TV commercials, even on the side of your truck, right? Like on your wrap. Think about that. That is like a big, massive advert for your carpet cleaning business. Your wrap is inside out carpet cleaning, best carpet cleaning and best deals anywhere in this town. Maybe it says on the side, call this number now. And then you put the phone number. That's direct response. You're asking somebody to do something immediately. Call this number now. Think about that. Like your truck is a huge advert for you that's driving around the streets. When you're putting your wrap together, you're putting your imagery for the side of that truck. Think about it from a direct response marketing perspective. Think about all aspects of your business. Like I say, all aspects in terms of direct response marketing. Maybe on your invoices that you send out, on your receipts, on your letterheading, XYZ carpet cleaning, the best in town. Call this number now for the best deals. Call this number now for the best carpet cleaning in Atlanta. Direct response, call this number now. Stick it everywhere, man. And that direct response angle has a psychological impact on people, right? When you ask somebody to do something, when you say to them, call this number now, press this button, go to this website quickly, people actually do it. Like, funnily enough, ask someone to do something, a lot of people are actually going to go and do it, and they will go to that website, they will call the number because you asked them to, and they will get a quote from you, they will book with you. So let's talk about how to write your own direct response copy. There are 5 main elements, and we're going to break down each one and go into the details of each one. Number 1 is call out your customer, like your avatar, your ideal customer. Call out the people that you're talking to, make an offer, highlight the pain points, create scarcity, and probably the most important thing of all that actually makes it a direct response copy is have a call to action. So let's go through each step piece by piece. First of all, call out your customer. So if you want people to respond to your direct response marketing, you need to talk directly to your ideal customer. So in your copy, and this could be audio, this could be like a radio commercial, this could be a TV commercial, this could be a Facebook ad, whatever. It could be a flyer. Hey, Atlanta homeowners. Hey, homemakers of Florida. Hey, Georgia students. Whoever your customers are, if it's students that hire carpet cleaners for their student accommodation before they move out, if it's housewives in New York, if it's homemakers in Florida, whoever your ideal customers are, call them out and call out your area, so that then when people see this copy, when they see this marketing, when they hear it, they're going to feel like you're talking directly to them. Once that happens, that's when the ears go up, and that's when people start to be responsive. So step 1, call out your ideal customers and call out your area. Next up, make an offer. So all great direct response copy needs an offer. Okay, now I've done a number of videos about how to put together an offer that has high perceived value for your potential customer. So on paper, they're like, wow, that's a great offer, but still makes sense for you financially. How to put together offers without having to reduce your pricing or give too much away for free. I've done a whole series of videos on that. It's a whole other topic. Go and check those out on the YouTube channel. But ultimately, you want an offer. It could be like bank holiday weekend or military weekend or whatever, 10% discount on all jobs for the next 7 days. It could be just something like 3 rooms and a free hallway for X dollars. Whatever it is, have some kind of attention grabbing offer. So you're talking directly to the person, you've called them out, you called out the area, and then it's like, oh, wow, that's a great offer. Now you got their attention, right? Highlight the pain points. If in your area, eco-friendly chemicals is a thing, put that in to the copy. If showing up on time is a thing, put that in. If it's all about how quickly the carpet dries, put that into your copy. Fast dry times, punctual service, pet-friendly products. You can figure out what the pain points are for people in your area by going and looking at Google reviews. Go and look at all the Google reviews of carpet cleaners in your town. Look at the 1-star reviews. Look at all the things that pissed people off. Look at the 5-star reviews. Look at all the things that people loved about that particular business. Now you found out what's important for people in your area. Put those things into your direct response copy. So now, not only are you speaking directly to your ideal customer because you called them out, not only are you presenting them with an offer that has high perceived value in their mind, they're like, wow, that's a great deal, but also you're actually talking about the things that are important to them. And now suddenly you're in a situation where it's like, wow, these guys are exactly what I was looking for. That's a great deal. And they're talking about all the things that are important to me. You catch my drift. So let's move on. Next thing, and this is a classic marketing hack or technique, is scarcity, fear of missing out. Offer ends Sunday. Be quick. Limited slots available. Only 10 slots at this price point. Don't miss out. You'd be surprised, but this stuff works, right? When you're talking directly to your ideal customer, you're giving them the exact service that they want based on their pain points. You put in front of them an amazing offer, and then you create this situation where like literally you need to jump on this like right now, because tomorrow, in an hour, in a week, it's going to be gone. That's how you get people to jump off the fence. That's how you get people to like get into that state of panic, like, oh, I need this. This is exactly what I want. This is an amazing deal. If I don't do it now, I'm going to miss out, and you get that fear of missing out. So always put some kind of scarcity in your direct response marketing. And then finally, have a call to action. And this is probably the most important thing. And this is probably the thing that everybody forgets or misses the most. Have a call to action. Call this number now, book now, click here to schedule, email this email address, go to this website. You need to tell people what they need to do to take a next step. Spell it out for them in black and white, right? Like tell them exactly what they need to do. Call this phone number by Friday before the offer ends and ask for Linda. Like whatever it is they need to do. Click this button on this ad, go to this website, quote this discount code, whatever it is, tell them what they need to do. And that needs to be front and center and bold call to action. That's the key trick to this. So let's put all this together. This is just purely an example. Hey, Atlanta homeowners, we're offering 3 rooms of carpet cleaning for just XXX dollars. You'll get a free hallway. We only use pet-friendly products and have fast dry times, pain points. Be quick, only limited slots available. Call now to reserve your slot before it's too late. Let's do another one. Hey, Florida homemakers. For the next 30 days, we're offering 20% off of all of our services. Plus, you'll get a free spotting kit with every job. We're always on time, fast and punctual, and have great customer service. Be quick. Offer ends soon. Click here to reserve your slot and quote Xmas to get your 20% discount before it's too late. So it's just putting together all of those things. We're calling out the area, calling out the ideal customer, Atlanta homeowners, presenting them with a great offer, highlighting the pain points and the things that are important to them. We only use pet-friendly products and have fast dry times. We've put some scarcity in there. Be quick, only limited slots available. And then last but not least, we put a really strong call to action and told them exactly what they need to do. And if you take this basic kind of framework that you've just seen in this video and actually just break that down, you will basically have your advertising copy, your marketing strategy for your business, right? You can use this if you do radio ads, you can use it on TV commercials, you can put it on your Facebook page, you can put it on your website, you can put it in your Facebook ads and your Google ads, on your landing page, you can put it on your voice message, on your voicemail, like for the times when the office is closed. You can put it on your letterheads, in the footer of your emails. There you go. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, then head to the description where you'll find a link to schedule a Zoom call with us. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.